So this is lawn mower compound exercise to strengthen the lower body, quadriceps, and the upper body, latissimus dorsi, which is called wing. We call it wings. You know, if you want to have wings, probably you want to develop your latissimus dorsi. So lawn mower adds two things. It's a traditional lunge. I'm going to stand like this. Traditional lunge, adding the wing exercise. So heavy dumbbells closer to your torso, right leg up or forward, lunge position, go to the lunge. This is lunge. I have the left thumb here. When I come back, like this. So doing it one more time. Right leg up, left dumbbell goes down, coming back. I'm taking my leg closer to the feet closer, and this is like this, like opening the door. The action here is for the side wings, latissimus dorsi action. So one more time. In, up, in, up. This is one side, right? We have to alternate. So while going forward, down, up. Combining these two actions together. Alternate. So combining the breathing, breathe in, out, out. So when you go forward, make sure you have perfect right angle on the forward leg as well as backward leg, and then come back. It has some body head coordination as well, so try for a few times. Alternate. So 8 times each, that would give you 16 total.